Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. So if we're gonna draw a rat, what shape should we draw first?
The shape you should do first is the body.
Yeah, and what shape should we use?
Oval.
Oval, great, good job. So let's draw an oval. And then what's the shape that we should draw next?
The head.
All right, what shape should we use for the head?
Circle.
Okay, maybe is there another shape that we maybe can use?
Rectangle. Square, I mean.
So for rats, for their heads, you know they have those long pointed noses?
Oh, so triangle?
Yeah, so let's use a triangle.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And then what else do we need here? So what's our small shapes?
Legs and arms.
Yep.
I mean,
And what
legs,
should we use?
because they're paws.
Yeah. What about arms and legs? What should we use?
Rectangles.
Yeah. We can do something like that. And how should we draw the tail? Okay.
Reinforce 2 lines.
Yeah. And should the lines be straight, squiggly? How would you want to draw them?
Straight, I would say.
Okay. You can draw it straight. We're almost done. So what else do we need here on our rat? Yeah, so what are the details?
Or in patterns and the details and patterns.
Yeah, good job. We also need some other things. You need some ears, right?
Oh yeah.
So what shape should we use for the ears?
Triangles.
Okay, you can use triangles. Or you can use circles. I'm gonna use circles.
Okay.
And then let's make his eyes and nose. I'm gonna erase this here. And let's draw his eyes. And we can make a circle for the nose. Okay, and then you said details, so the pattern can be on the tail. All right, so you guys got the formula? Let's practice drawing the rats together. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute. Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.